guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Malinee from Malinee channel. Today I'm gonna make spooky green eyes deviled eggs. I'm using one large avocado. Peel the skin off and also take the pit out. I'm squeezing half of the lime juice to prevent the oxidation. Seasoning it with 1 teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of olive oil. I'm using 6 hard-boiled eggs and cut them in half like this. Then I'm spooning out the egg yolks into the avocado. Seasoning it with black pepper and 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise. Mix well and then taste it to your liking. Then I'm using the handheld blender to make it smooth. Put it in a Ziploc bag and cut at the edge like this. Now I'm gonna make the sauce using the tomato seed, only this part like this, around 1 tablespoon, and mix it with a half teaspoon of chili sauce. We are ready to assemble our evil eyes. Pipe in the avocado mousse. Put a little bit of the sauce into the middle, and then I'm using blue corn to resemble the pupil of the eyes. If you don't have the blue corn, you can use black olive instead. So we are done. These eyes are scary yet very cute. They are very healthy appetizer, and I hope you give it a try. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a healthy and scary happy Halloween. Bye.